I imagine some people have left us from the start of the meeting. They're listening in if they are. I want to first thank everyone in the community who is doing his or her part to help fight this COVID-19 health crisis. You can be big or small, old or young, but we need each person in the municipality of Kincardine to do what he or she can. And the message keeps, we keep hearing it, but the main thing from all the conference calls, everything with the Board of Health, etc., over the last couple of months, the main thing we can do is stay home. It will be tough as we get those warmer spring days in April, but we must stay home. This is the number one way to stop the virus from spreading. Of course, you will need to go out for certain essential needs, like the grocery store or the drugstore. But I'm going to suggest, ask yourself, do I really need this item today? Can I be better organized and only shop once a week or less? And last week, I challenged children and teens to learn or create something new during this period at home, because I can imagine it's a pretty long day sometimes at home. So this week, send me an email at mayor@kincardine.ca to tell me what you've learned or created at home, or how you made someone's day better. On the subject line of the email, just put Mayor's Challenge. And the more email, if I get overwhelmed, it would be wonderful to be overwhelmed by people doing positive things. I have a few friends that might help me out. I'll create a special folder. So the Mayor's Challenge for children and teens. Also, we had the directive from Dr. Era, the Grey Bruce Medical Officer of Health, and Sharon mentioned it as well. So if you have relatives or friends returning from holidays outside of Canada, please make them aware of the order to self-isolate. I'm hearing of people that have returned, and I think there's better processes in place, but they really weren't aware on their holidays of what was going on back in Canada as much. So, in addition, as Sharon said, Dr. Era strongly recommends against non-essential travel to and from Grey and Bruce counties. Again, you ask yourself the question, do I really need to travel or make this trip, or can it wait? I do want to thank the businesses and stores that have quickly adjusted to make our community safer by implementing extra sanitation measures, as well as encouraging physical distancing for customers to make shopping safer for everyone and make the community safer. I really encourage people to find out which of our local stores, it might look like they're closed, but they have online shopping, or you can order by phone, and then if you kind of arrange a time, they will just get it out the front door to you with their gloves on and everything. We need to support our local businesses during this difficult time as much as possible. So, as Sharon mentioned, our staff are looking into that and compiling lists. We have initiative going already on that front from some of our staff in conjunction with some other municipalities, especially Saugeen Shores, and just learning from municipalities around what can be done. So that's good. We'll probably hear more about it in the future. And I want to thank the people who are finding ways to entertain us with interesting things in their windows or in their yards. I do go over and visit my mother the odd time, and I was just wondering, did I see a reindeer on Lambton Street? So thanks to those people. And finally, I again want to thank our Municipality of Kincardine staff, led by our senior management team and our CAO, Sharon Chambers, who have been working so hard to keep our core municipal services operating as well as make the necessary changes to keep all our employees healthy and safe during this pandemic. There have been a lot of changes. It just didn't happen without great planning We don't have this much staff without a lot of planning in a very short time frame. So we also appreciate the daily updates from staff regarding our municipality and other organizations on our website and other places, and through email, e-blasts, etc. So again, to all residents, we can get through this COVID-19 crisis together. For now, we can be both Kincardine strong and Bruce County tough. Thank you.